Oh crap, I missed it. My only chance to possibly see it. We just got a severe thunderstorm warning and it's almost 4 a.m. Oh shit. Excuse my language. See the EAS while it's still going. It was just lit up blue on the ceiling. That's cool. It's 3:51 in the morning. Well, I was aware this time. See?
Glen, Worthington, Burlington, Belafonte, and 8. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Kentucky between mile markers 185 and 191. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 6.
Oh, it's still going? Cool.
Report severe weather to the...
Yeah, it's very rare that we get a severe thunderstorm warning in the middle of the night. I thought I crushed a bug. So I started smelling it as soon as I walked over there. I don't sleep very good, so I was just laying there looking at my phone when the thing lit up. Tells me that the batteries aren't bad in it. That was a cool catch. Too bad I didn't catch the first tone. Right now my leg smells like a stink bug. Maybe I shouldn't have walked over there. Whatever. We're gonna look at this on the weather radio. Any weather? Nah. Let me get to load here. That was kind of cool. Yep. It's right there. Oh yeah, okay, so we are Lawrence County, Ohio. See the other counties that got it. In Kentucky we got Boyd, Greenup, Gallia counties, and southern Ohio got Lawrence, Mason, it's Lawrence and Mason County. West Virginia got Cabell, Putnam, and northern Wayne counties in West Virginia. I'm just saying West Virginia because it's logically what it is. Look at this, there's tornado warnings for my state. See? But it says there's a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Take cover now, move to an interior basement. A room on the lowest floor of a building. Boy windows. Let's see what this looks like tomorrow. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, they changed it. It was bad. It was supposed to be all rain all week. Yeah, they did change it. It was supposed to be bad weather all week. I was just looking at my phone and that went off. I was like, cool. First catch of the night. Yeah, my foot does smell like a stink bug, but I'm not gonna die from it. Well, that I know of. Put my phone on the couch next to me, so yeah. I'm gonna go. I think that was just a cool catch. If I catch it again, I'll let you all know.